Okay, I have kind of combined my metalworking and my computer programming into one thing. And take a look at this. You got a panel. There's a panel. It has screws. It has a metal finish. It has scratches. Here you've got a panel with a vintage look. And then what it does is every time you render the panel, it renders a random, like it's not fixed. Nothing is fixed. Everything is dynamically being drawn. So here you have dust particles and scratches and elements that are being randomly drawn. So here is, I kind of created a widget factory. So this is, a rusty background with screws, and this is a green panel, military panel with green screws, and there's a shadow to the screw, and all the screws are Robertson because I'm Canadian. I like the Canadian screws, and some of them have like little wear marks. Like if it's rounded, it'll. Then I'm working on again. So this is a metal panel that's got spaces between. So, and then here, what I'm trying to figure out is like the best way to draw the screws over top of the panel with the bezel and all of that stuff. And I created like, 100 different demos, like just the randomness of some of these things. Like you think, okay, well, there's a bunch of rust spots and some surface scratches, and it just adds to, again, like skeuomorphism is cool. Like, like this looks like a real thing, but it's not a real thing. It looks like a vintage dial, but it's not. I don't know if skeuomorphism is like overrated or, going down this rabbit hole of coming up with new cool shapes. I don't know if it's necessarily a bad thing. I don't know if it's a good thing. But how this works is the entire program has one definition for a background or a panel, I call it. And when a panel is rendered, and this is going to look ugly, but it'll give you an idea. So when a panel is rendered, it will have also like separation between things. So a panel is rendered at the high level, and then everything else inherits that panel. So I only edit one panel. One other thing that I came up with, because I started saving and doing things, was I built my own editor. So now you can right click a panel, and now the editor for that panel shows up. Here are the colors, right? So this is the color of the meter. So if I hit OK and I go test rebuild, it'll rebuild this. And now, well, Murphy's Law, test and rebuild. Okay, give it a second. But this will now be the color that is used for that parameter. Of course, something crashed. Anyway, it's been quite the journey to get this to look fake, real. I don't know if it's looking real or if it's looking fake. You tell me.